वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल कविताज स्टडी अड्डा। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे क्लास 7th साइंस का चैप्टर 10 रेस्पिरेशन इन एनिमल्स। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाई डज एन एथलीट ब्रीथ फास्टर एंड डीपर देन यूजुअल आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द रेस? आंसर, ड्यूरिंग द रन द डिमांड ऑफ एनर्जी इज हाई बट द सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी इज लिमिटेड, therefore anaerobic respiration takes place in the muscle cells to fulfill the demand of energy. After finishing the race, an athlete breathes faster and deeper than usual so that more oxygen is supplied to the cells. Question 2. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Answer, similarities. In both aerobic and anaerobic respiration, food is broken down to release energy. Second, both takes place inside cells. Third, both produce byproducts. Differences. Aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. First, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. It takes place in the absence of oxygen. Second, energy is released in a higher amount. Energy is released in a lesser amount. Carbon dioxide and water are byproducts. Carbon dioxide and alcohol are produced as byproducts. It is a low process. It is a fast process. Examples: animals and plant cells. Example: human muscle cells, yeast, bacteria, etc. Question 3. Why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? Answer, we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air to expel these foreign particles. These particles get past the hair in the nasal cavity and irritate the lining of the cavity, which results in sneezing. Question 4. Take 3 test tubes, fill each of them with water, label them A, B and C. Keep a snail in a test tube A, a water plant in test tube B, and in C keep snail and plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of CO2? Answer, test tube A will have the highest concentration of CO2 because snail will take in oxygen and give out CO2. In test tube B and C, the CO2 will be utilized by the water plant for synthesizing food and hence there will be less concentration of CO2 in these. जो टेस्ट ट्यूब A है उसमें हमने स्नेल को रखा हुआ था जो कि ब्रीदिंग के दौरान CO2 को एक्सहेल करता है, इसलिए वहाँ उसमें CO2 का कंसंट्रेशन हाई होगा। और B और C में हमने प्लांट रखा हुआ था, वाटर प्लांट, जो कि CO2 को यूटिलाइज कर लेता फोटोसिंथेसिस में, इसलिए B और C में जो CO2 था उसका कंसंट्रेशन लो रहेगा। Question 5. Take the correct answer. In cockroaches, air enters the body through lungs, gills, spiracles, skin. Answer, spiracles. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of carbon dioxide, lactic acid, alcohol, water. Answer, lactic acid. C. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 9 to 12, 15 to 18, 21 to 24, 30 to 33. Answer, 15 to 18. During exhalation, the ribs moves outwards, move downwards, move upwards, do not move at all. Answer, move downwards. Question 6. Match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. Answer, column 1, column 2. Yeast, alcohol, diaphragm, chest cavity, skin, earthworm, leaves, stomata, fish, gills, frog, lungs and skin. Question 7. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. False. Plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only night. False. Frogs breathe through their skins as well as their lungs. True. The fishes have lungs for respiration. False. The size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. True. Question 8. Give one word. The air tubes of insects, trachea, skeletal structures surrounding chest cavity, ribs, muscular floor of chest cavity, diaphragm, tiny pores on the surface of leaf, stomata, small openings on the sides of the body of an insect, spiracles, the respiratory organ of human beings, lungs, the openings through which we inhale, nostrils, an anaerobic organism, yeast, an organism with tracheal system, ant. Question 9. The mountaineers carry oxygen with them because at an altitude of more than 5 km there is no air. B. The amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. C. The temperature of air is higher than that on the ground. D. The pressure of air is higher than that on the ground. Answer. The mountaineers carry oxygen with them because the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो आप इसको लाइक कर सकते हैं और शेयर कर सकते हैं, और इसी प्रकार के और वीडियोस पाने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।